Yes. What's up, TT baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. But how y'all doing? Okay, are you guys ready? You have asked and I am delivering one of my skincare routines. So I do have a few sometimes, as you can tell. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, so my hair is drying, and this is right after I shower. I do my skincare routine outside of the shower because I use a lot of different products, and I like to thoroughly wash my face and put on all my products when I get out of the shower. So, as requested, I'm doing one of my favorite morning skincare routines for you. As we all have different skin, this is what has been working for me lately, especially with when I'm on my period or when I'm having hormonal acne, little breakouts because of hormones in your digestive system. That's why you got to make sure you're taking your vitamins. So there's all different kinds and causes to breakouts, and I'm still working on what's caused mine when I get my period or my hormones, etc., etc. So anyways, we want a fresh face. We're going to put this back to hold back our hair. Now mine's drying, so I'm not going to put it up, but I'm going to put this back to keep my bangs back. And sorry, this is my eyebrow pencil I'm holding. Had to fleek the brows for this video. So we're going to get this party started. First step first, you must. Let me say this louder for the people in the back. You must look at yourself in the mirror every day and tell yourself you are beautiful no matter what. You love yourself, and that is that. You are beautiful and I love you, and you can do whatever you want, girlfriend. Now let's wash this pretty face. Then put on the bando. Busting out the bando. Okay. You are gorgeous. Yes. Hype yourself up, girl. You don't need no man. You don't need nobody to tell you that you are beautiful every day. Y'all think I'm crazy, but self-talk is where it's at. Okay, so we pulled it back. Now, let me tell y'all my products that I use, that I'm obsessed with, that I cannot get enough. And yes, I use a lot. This glow don't come that easy. So, first things first, and I will wash right here with Drunk Elephant is what I have been using for a long time now, and I swear by it. This is the jelly cleanser. It's the best, seriously, the best cleanser ever. So what I like to do with you, first of all, is you want to make sure your hands, now that I've been touching things, are clean. So wet my face. And then I take like a nice drop size and I rub it together. And you really, when you get in here, I really like to use my nails and like really scrub in there. Like, get it, sis. Just get it all. Get it. Very much so cleansing my skin. I'm really getting it in here. Sorry about this dog in the background. And then we rinse with warm water. You're looking good. So after you're done, then you want to pat your face. Do not scrub and rub. Like, gently pat your face. Because unless you're double deep cleansing, you can use this to wipe it off, but I like to double cleanse at nighttime. So pat your face dry, and then I like to use some rose water. This is just a very good like hydro mist. Yes. Let me just fleek the brows for y'all real quick. The eyelash. Okay. Then I like to use these two together because this is a hydration, so you want to hydrate your skin, and this is a day serum, which is really good because this is like has pumpkin extract, but it also has vitamins, so you want to mix this with your hydro mask. So I love these bottles, by the way. Like, they're super clean and convenient. You just twist it. So I like to put like 1 squirt here, and then I like to mix in another squirt, and then I just mix that around and pat. Do not rub, pat all over. Yeah. Pat, 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 pat. Dab, 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 dab. Okay. Then I like to get some of my Protini, which is another really good added protein cream, strengthens and moisturizes. Look at these bottles, they're so cool. You just press and so clean. Clean, clean, clean and convenient. So I like to put this more so like under my eyes, and I dab, do not harsh rub, on top. And then a little bit on the cheekies, forehead, nose. Yes. Okay. Then, you guys, something I learned. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sun freaking screen. Especially I live out here in Hawaii. This is SPF 30. I did not know how important it was to wear sunscreen. I kid you not. Sunscreen is so important for the body. It's already helped tremendously with my skin, tightening up my skin. I don't want leather skin when I get older, so wear your sunscreen. So I've been putting this on every day, and I just get a nice amount here, and it's been helping so much. I rub it in, and again, pat it on under my eyes, on top of my eyes, on my forehead. Dab, dab, pat, pat, pat. And you are in there. Yes, you are glowing. So, this has been my go-to for my skincare. Now, men, you don't have to do this obviously, because this is a form of makeup, but then I also like to add some SPF eye cream before I put on my makeup, or if I'm just doing like a natural look, I still like to add this under my eyes because it has more sunscreen. So like I said, you can add this on if you like, or you don't have to, especially not you men. But don't mind the hair right now. But that is basically my routine, you guys. It's just been one of my morning routines. I do masks during the week, especially when I get little breakouts, like right now, before you get your period. Women, hear me out, you know what I'm talking about. So if I'm about to do my makeup, which I'm not right now, I like this natural glow. I've been wearing like literally no makeup unless I have to do a little bit on my eyes for like a photo shoot. I just been letting my skin really take all these products in. These are all really amazing from Drunk Elephant. I'm obsessed with this brand, everything about them. They're all plant-based and they've done wonders to my skin, helping with breakouts, and they're all natural and just they smell good. I don't usually wear sunscreen because I hate the smell, and this sunscreen smells phenomenal. So yeah, this is one of my routines. If you guys like this video and you want more like this, I'm happy to share my nighttime routine with you, and the masks I use and the vitamins I take, because it all starts from in your inside and it goes out your gut into your skin. So you are what you eat. And I hope you guys all loved this video. If you did, please let me know so I could do more for you. And I will see you all soon. I love you. Team, baby.